Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Breville espresso machine and we replaced the solenoid valve. And it's a little hard to see, but it's right here. I'll try to pull the cables back so you can see it a little bit better. But anyways, this is it right here. And oftentimes you'll hear a buzzing sound. And this is the cause, and/or it'll leak. The most common issues with this machine is either the solenoid valve here will leak, or the gaskets on this steam boiler. This steam boiler will leak over here, and that's pretty bad. So those are the main issues, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you a shot of espresso. This is pre-infusion. See, we're getting a beautiful shot of espresso. Really good crema. Yeah, just a great shot. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.